This is a product called TAP EASE. It's basically a waxy crayon lubricant used for cutting metal threads. But in this case, I like to use it to lubricate the threads of the screws before I install switches and receptacles into the plastic boxes, because the screws are very soft metal and very easy to cam out the driver of the head and strip it out. So I like to put a little bit of this waxy lubricant on each thread, and then when I run the screw in, it makes it a lot easier to cut the thread in, because I'm temporarily installing these receptacles in the box, and I will be removing them in the near future to install the drywall, and then reinstalling the receptacles back over the drywall. And so this TAP EASE reduces the chance of damaging one of the screws heads. Makes it a lot easier, basically.